Hey our friends, today we're going to draw a Shiba Inu puppy.
And here's a quick preview of how our drawings turned out at the very end. They're really cute and we hope you're really excited to follow along with us. We're using our markers to draw and color with.
But you can use whatever you have at home.
Yeah, like colored pencils or even crayons. All right, you ready to start?
Yeah.
Hey parents and teachers, did you know we have a special place to draw without any ads or distractions? You can watch all of our lessons on artforkidshub.tv or in our official app available on Apple, Android, Roku, and more. It's the best way to draw together as a family or in the classroom anytime, anywhere, and without interruptions. Check it out and subscribe at artforkidshub.tv. Let's start by drawing our little puppy's nose in the middle of our paper. I'm gonna draw an oval shape, but we could also draw a little U shape first, or yeah, kind of a U shape.
Okay.
Then we're going to draw the top of the nose, curving around and connecting to the other side, and then we can color that in. Next, let's draw the mouth. We'll draw the letter U coming out to the left and the letter U coming out to the right. Oh, mine got really big on the other side. That's okay. We were practicing. Okay, now we're going to draw the pencil. We're going to draw it coming out of the mouth, or Shiba Inu. I got to practice saying that. It's kind of challenging. We're going to draw two lines coming out from each side of the mouth. Yes, and then we're going to draw the side coming down over here. And then we're going to draw a line matching the top line that's going through the mouth, but going this time underneath. Then we can draw the letter V on its side for the lead, or the sharp part of our pencil. And we can also draw a line and color it in for the lead. Then let's draw an eraser over here. We'll draw a curve out and in. And then we can also draw an extra line for the little metal ring that holds the eraser. Yes, there's our pencil. It looks awesome.
Yeah.
And our little puppy's mouth. Now let's draw the eyes. I'm going to draw an oval right here and the same size oval on the other side. And let's color those in too. There's our little puppy face. It's looking pretty cute.
Yeah.
Now we need to draw the face, or the shape of the head. Let's start way up here, and we're going to draw a curve that goes in between the eyes for the top of the head. Then we're going to leave space, and we're going to imagine the shape of the head continuing. So we're going to draw this curve with our eyes. We're just imagining it coming out over here, and I'm going to draw a little guide point to kind of help, and then we're going to leave a little space over here too. Then we're going to draw the cheeks. We're going to draw it curving down, and we can connect to the eraser. And this side we'll draw it connecting or touching the sharp part of the pencil. Yeah. And then we're going to imagine it going underneath our little pencil and across over to the other side. There's a round, oval little shape for our puppy's head.
Yeah.
Oh, I love it. Okay, now let's add the ears. We're going to draw the little Shiba Inu. I gotta say it right.
Shiba Inu.
Shiba
Inu.
Shiba Inu. And then we're gonna try to match that same ear over here, connecting it in. Awesome. Okay, now let's draw our little puppy's body. We're gonna jump down here and draw the front legs first. So we're gonna draw two letter U's. Let's leave space right here on the chest, and we'll give two little dots. This is where our legs are going to start. Then we're going to draw short lines coming down. And then we can draw a letter U for the bottom of the paws, curving out on each side. We want to try to match the same size. And then we're going to continue these up to the shoulders. I love your little paws. Okay, and then we can draw the belly in between the paws. We can also draw two toe lines. Then we're going to draw the back paws. And we'll leave a little space in between the legs. And I'm drawing the little guide point so that it matches on both sides. We're going to draw it curving out and then in to the front legs or feet. And then we'll do the same over here. Okay, now for the body, we're gonna start. So if we imagine this line coming up to the cheeks on both sides, we're gonna draw the body sticking out. We're just curving right next to the front legs, so it's really close. And then we're gonna draw the back legs out like this, so that our little puppy looks like he's sitting on his hind legs.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's awesome. And then we can also draw 2 toe lines for the back paws. Now, the last thing we need to draw is the tail. We're gonna draw it curving out of the leg and up. Then we're gonna start at the end. We'll curve around for the end of the tail and then back into the leg. Yeah, that's awesome. And I love that your tail isn't as curved. It's okay that our 2 drawings look different, and it's okay if our friends' drawings look different, because the most important thing is
To have fun.
yeah, and to
Practice.
Now, we're not completely done. It just looks like a regular puppy with a pencil. What do we still need to do?
Color it.
Yes, let's fast forward this part, but our friends, you guys can pause the video and take time to color your drawings. Austin, give me 5. We did it. We finished coloring our little drawings and they turned out awesome.
Yeah, they did.
I hope our friends will take time to color their drawings. And we even added a ground or kind of a shadow with some plants.
Yes, but you can add even more.
Yeah, you could do a whole background. Maybe your little puppy is waiting for you at school
Yeah.
and you forgot your pencil, so it brought it.
Oh, yes.
When we colored our little puppy, we used an orange reddish color, but really just orange. And then we added this little S curve over the cheeks, and I like that you changed your cheeks.
Thanks. I also colored the paws.
Yeah, and you guys can really color yours any way you want. You don't have to color it the same as us. But I also think it looks really cute with the pink cheeks.
Yeah. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a Shiba Inu.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Did you know we've got a whole series of how to draw books? We teamed up with DK to create 6 amazing titles, each one packed with fun, step-by-step lessons. The print quality is so amazing, and they're really affordable too. We're so grateful for DK and excited to share these with your family. Grown-ups, you can learn more and grab your copies by clicking the link in the description below.